Dr. Clinton Brown Odiabe was born on August 23, 1972 to his parents in Epoma, Esan West Local Government Area of Edo State, Nigeria. He is the president of UATD Herbal Resources and Chief Executive Officer of Renassance International Ltd, NRI. He is a detribalized Nigerian and has empowered over 30,000 Africans through his NRI Poverty Alleviation Initiative. He believes that only Africans can liberate Africans from poor health and poverty. He has researched and had scientific breakthroughs in the field of alternative medicine. Some of such include superdose capsules, and then the current range of curative health supplements produced by UATD. Dr. Brown's personal vision and mission in life transcends into all the organizations he founded and manages. For example, his vision is to uplift people from the scourge of financial strain to a position of wealth, creating millionaires across the world annually and helping people around the world attain optimal health using the amazing gift of nature abundant in Africa. His pet project, Nature's Renaissance International (NRI), is in most states of Nigeria and is currently spreading to other African countries such as Liberia, Ghana, South Africa, among other countries. Dr. Clinton Brown looks forward to empowering over 50 million Africans in his lifetime. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Dr. Clinton Brown, the Chief Executive Officer of Nature's Renaissance International Ltd, NRI.